So if you're either a coach or somebody who's feeling called into coaching, but you have this constant thought of like, am I even ready? Well, this video is for you. Today, we're actually going to dive into not only some ideas around being ready, but also what we've been able to do when it comes to coaching people and really helping them identify how to make them not only see that they're ready, but fully change their trajectory forever. So what's up, everybody? So today's quote, we got a powerful quote. It is, readiness isn't just a feeling, it's a decision, and we're going to help you make it. I love that so much, because that's really what we love to do, is we like to help people identify maybe some things, some gaps, some things that are going on in their brain that is preventing them from showing up as their best version of themselves. Now, I actually remember when this first happened to me, it was because I had been coaching, but I hadn't been getting the results that I had wanted. And I remember that for 2 years in a row, I had saw this opportunity to actually get certified as a coach. And I hesitated for 2 years. I think mostly because it was $18,000 at the time. And the only way they were going to pay that was on a credit card. But I convinced myself that I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for that level of investment, but I also wasn't ready for that level of coaching. And what I didn't realize is that I was already ready already. It literally was at the exact moment that I needed to take that step. Because here's the thing, I convinced myself for 2 years to hit pause, to not sign up, to not submit, to just delete the emails, to pretend like they didn't happen, to do one of these things. And when I quote unquote got to 3 years, nothing had changed. As a matter of fact, it actually had gotten worse. It's one of those things where you can convince yourself. At the time, I was working full-time at LAPD, having kids, working on my health, all these kind of things. I had convinced myself that I wasn't ready. And because I convinced myself I wasn't ready, I didn't actually take the step that I needed to. But year 3, everything changed. So I just want to let you know that if you've ever been there, you, my friend, are not alone. If there's ever been any area of your life where you feel like, I'm just not ready, we're going to actually help you navigate that today. But we also know that you've navigated some of that stuff before to even get to where you are today.
I think a lot of people get confused by this, and we coach a lot of people through this, and it comes out in many different forms, many different stories, many different perspectives. But when it all boils down to it, it's that they don't feel ready. Mm-hmm. And I'm here to tell you that that is a myth. Because in reality, really taking action will gain you that clarity of becoming ready. And the truth is that readiness is just showing up messy and not waiting for perfection, because we feel like everything has to align. Everything has to be just perfect in order for us to feel ready. But like Mark said earlier, being ready is just a decision that you need to make. So when I was working full time, I was working at UCLA Health. I was multitasking. I was doing a lot of different things, but there was one thing in particular, which was sustainability. And there was a position that came up. They actually created this position because they knew how important it was to work on different climate initiatives. And they, said, like my boss told me, hey, you should put in for this position because you're already doing the work. And then even Mark was like, yeah, go for it, because you're already doing it and I know you're going to do amazing. And at the time, I was not ready, right? I was convincing myself that this was way too much for me. It was too much for me to take on. I wasn't worthy. I wasn't going to be able to make it. I was going to make a fool out of myself. All of these different things, but it all boiled down to I didn't feel ready. But then I put in for it. And I got the position. So I became the first sustainability programs manager for the UCLA Health System. And that point in my life was when I finally realized that just making the decision was something I could have done a long time ago. Like, why didn't I do this earlier type thing? But it made me realize that even if nothing like really felt aligned, that I was ready anyway, because I had made that decision.
Yep. And I actually got to live through that because I remember having conversations with Teresa about this, and I remember having to coach her through it and bring up some realizations for her, right? Because it's so easy to see that somebody else is ready, right? Very hard to see that we're ready because we have all the behind the scenes stuff that's going on, right? Which is why we want to help you guys today, because maybe you feel like through your filter that you're not actually ready. But I remember from those conversations, I remember saying, well, if you weren't ready, why would your boss literally tell you, hey, you need to apply for this?
Yeah. And it's like, it's tapping into the logical side of our brain, right? And But like I said, like we try to convince ourselves otherwise because there's all these deep-rooted beliefs we have about ourselves.
100%. Like one of the things that like we take people through in our certification is to realize that our brain really just wants to keep us safe, and anything that it can convince us of, including I'm not ready, is actually there to protect you.
Mm-hmm.
But when you become aware of it, you take your foot off of the brake and put your foot on the gas, your life changes forever. But then everybody else's life that you touched, because you were willing to lean in and to take those actions, even though you didn't feel ready, that's really where the game changer is. I want you to think, what does an expert mean? What do you think an expert means, by the way?
I think it's knowing 10% more than the general public.
Yep. So I used to be a police officer for 20 years for LAPD. And while going through that process, I was a court qualified gang expert. And when you go into court, you're not allowed to give opinions. Only if you're a qualified expert, then you can give opinions. But the thing is, in order for you to give like your opinions, you have to be deemed as the expert in that field. And I got to be honest, that scared me.
Mm-hmm.
But do you know what an expert is defined as in the court system? It is having 10% more knowledge than the general public. And I'm like, if I even know the acronym for this gang, that makes me 10% more knowledgeable than most people in the public, because they would have no idea. And it was such a big like process. I was so nervous about it. But all you have to do is know 10% more than the general public. So if you're going into a space where you're like, hey, I'm going to help somebody with their health and fitness. Okay. For example, I lost 100 pounds. I went through a lot of transformation. Do I know 10% more about losing weight and staying healthy than somebody who's never experienced that before? Answer is yes. I would be a quote unquote weight loss expert. Now, I'm not going to go out there and go like, hey guys, I'm the weight loss expert. But for me, being able to pull that into a session, I'm like, you know what? I don't have to help anybody get to like some place that I've never been. All I have to do is help enough people get to where I currently am. When we think about the impact that we're here to make in the world, that's when we release those expectations of like, we have to, like, it's about us, or what are people going to think, or how am I going to do this post? What does somebody need to hear today? When you think about people who are scrolling through their news feed today, they need your help. They need to get their health and fitness in alignment. They need to get their mindset on point. Those people who are scrolling, what do they need to hear today? When you think about it from that respect, you don't think about like, oh, I don't know, what am I going to say, or all that. It comes from a, no, listen, like, this is what I need to share with you because I want to change your life. And this is an opportunity for you to do that. And it could even be, this is what helped me today change my life. And I want to pass it on to you. And I want to give you this little gift of inspiration because you've got that living inside of you too. Now, here's the thing. Clarity comes from action. Guys, you are not going to be able to think through in your head all the possible scenarios and have all of the answers to everything that could possibly happen to you.
Yeah.
It's not going to happen. In real life, we take action and we learn. Did we do this well? Let's keep doing it. Or did we not do it well? Let's do something different. That's literally what our whole lives are about. And this is really about leaning into this power, but also realizing you're more than ready right now. It's just all about taking action. So there's this philosophy or idea around, I'll be ready when this happens. Okay. This happens is typically like something outside of yourself. If you are waiting for something outside of yourself to tell you that you're ready, you're missing the point, just like I was missing the point, just like Teresa was missing the point. When you heard our stories earlier today, we were waiting for something on the outside. Readiness is a decision. It's a decision that you make that right now you're ready. And you're going to step into it, and you're going to take messy action, and you're going to learn everything along the way. That's what powerful leaders, powerful coaches, powerful humans, powerful parents, spouses, that's what they do. They're willing to lean in, especially when times are uncomfortable, take action, and learn along the way. Now, our brain is going to try and convince us that it's not the time, that this will happen. This will be once the kids get out of school, or once they go back to school, or once you make more money, or once your business gets bigger, or all of these things, when in fact, this thing is the thing that will help you do those things. It's crazy when you think about it logically of like, actually doing this thing will help me be able to accomplish that, right? But know that you're not broken. That's the way your brain is supposed to work because it's meant to keep you safe. Being able to identify some of these things you're telling yourself, being able to reframe them, and being able to really step into your power is not only going to make an impact for you, your family, and the people that you talk to, but also the ripple effect that it has in other people's lives, which is literally why we put together our certification. It is so amazing when we can teach people this skill, really deep dive into the growth model and all the things that we teach inside of the certification to help people achieve what it is they want to achieve. And then we see the ripple effect that that has in their lives, but also all the other people's lives that they coach. That's really what we're super passionate about. You are more than ready to start coaching, to start having conversations, and to start helping people. What we also know, just like how I found out, is that it's sometimes if we don't have the right tools, sometimes if we don't have a framework to follow, we can get into situations where maybe we're trying to give advice when in reality we really shouldn't be. We need to help them get not only to the root of what's actually going on, but help coach them through the process and become an expert in the process of coaching. And that's why we have opened up our certification for the next round. Starting in July is when we have our next round of our certification process, our program. Now, there's two ways for us to communicate. Number one is if it's something that you're interested in, type in the comments below, send me the details. And what we'll do is my team will find out how to connect with you so that we can send you those details. But since we're on YouTube, it's a lot harder to connect that way. The second option, which is probably the best, is if you sign up at our certification waitlist, which is modernleadership.us/certification. We will reach out to you, have a conversation, see if this is a good fit, because we don't just randomly add people in. And through that conversation via email or getting on a call, whatever you want, we're going to help make sure that this is the right step for you where you are right now. This is for people who they've thought about coaching, but they have no idea what they could or should be doing when they're a coach. They just started coaching, but they don't have any kind of framework or anything they can help with. Or they've been coaching for a while, but they need a little bit more confidence, some of the skills to be able to know that they can help their clients get through anything that their clients are going through because they become an expert in coaching. That's what we teach inside of the certification. It's not just a teach, watch these modules. You're actually implementing it, practicing it live, getting feedback from me and from our team, and going out and doing this more and more to get to the point where at the end of 7 months, you're like, I have mastered this. And you won't be actually questioning yourself if you have enough confidence to be able to help coach people. You will know because we will make sure that that happens. So if that's something you guys is interested in, definitely dive in, shoot us that comment below, or sign up for the waitlist, modernleadership.us/certification, and then we'll go from there. And let me just end with this. No matter what your brain tries to convince you, you don't get ready until you start taking action. Like taking action is the part that will give you the clarity to actually make you ready. Deciding that you're ready, taking action, that is what truly makes you ready. Because once you do that, think about all the energy and effort that you will put into it so that you can, quote unquote, feel ready. So get out there, crush it. Thank you for what you do out there every single day, and keep leading from the front, team.